Them just catch one hotel worker. Where we say this guy go thief 350k. Hey, see the kind big money. You don't even thief small money. 350,000 naira. Now you carry just at a time. As we gather them, they say this guy na valet. People don't understand. You know all these kind of people we say if you go big hotel, you go park your car down, then they go there outside, stand like stick. Collect the car keys. Now come drive your car, go drop from one place. Now they work with this boy they do. There's a one woman come give her motor say, okay, go park my car, go keep her. Now what we hear before we go see, Oga don't start to the search inside this woman motor. Search the motor, so say come go gather 350k carry. Say you want it. I beg some people they know they even fear. People I beg make not to talk, make now watch.
Hold the money. Hold the money in your hand. Yes. Hold the money. All carry all. The whole money. Carry all the money. Come out your face mask. Start only.
Don't fuck up. See young guy like you, don't spoil your fucking name,
And I don't see Abi. Some people they know they respect their profession. At least manage the work where they do. Last they go tip you. If that the small tip they give you, you collect them, hang and put for pocket. But this one now, I mean, what do you even find? But I should say this woman said this way she do not trap. Because I go just carry this kind of big money, just drop them. And you know, say this kind of money, no, it go enter some people eye. So if nobody say you do and say on purpose, say you can't drop this money, make this guy go drop and for some. You go, you know the fear, say person go thief your money. Aside saying that this guy, if say person break your car glass and thief this money, what do you want to talk? You go talk say na unknown thief, na can't thief. This one, in fact, the attitude, the way we do, they even do gra. I'm not say fine, go pay that, but what is the shock? You don't see your money back. So all this one way they do, at least say you don't even do necessary. At least you know say 5 naira never miss from your money. 10 naira never the money still dey intact. No her person go dey tempted. See this kind new 500 naira note. Now they talk say this money no go enter person eyes. In fact, people wey dey thief, no go thief from woman because the way they go disgrace you. The way they go embarrass yourself, you go even surprise say, now on top of how much you thief. Their own go be double because the way they go raise alarm to that you're thieving, you go surprise yourself, say, it pass what you thief. But at least now, as the matter be, you don't lose your work. The money if you don't even see and thief. So waiting can be the gain, waiting you gain from this whole matter. And the guy see him face, very innocent, yeah, they won't pity himself. But I just maybe na one kind condition and I make him matter come bend like this. Maybe a wife no get money. I been just temptation. Devil just want use and say, okay, go take this money. Maybe the person don't forget. How person go forget 350k inside motor for this Nigeria we had like this? Nobody fit do that one again. So God, this the way you do, it no good. And I know some people say they talk say the woman overreact and she don't see her money. She not supposed to arrest the guy. Make she leave the guy go. But people when they watch this, what on herself feel about this whole matter. As the lady want arrest this guy, it makes sense. I be she supposed to leave him and she don't see the matter. I hear this one. I can't make her bring and come on aside. Make myself this na ear. See everything they happen. Make no don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you on for the next video.